At the core of OFWD is our clients. Our clients are looking for ease of service. To them, that typically means readily available product, very value-priced product, and great service. This industry has grown up with locally North American manufactured products. Typically, that meant that you were waiting for many, many weeks. Typically, that meant that everything was custom and was often very expensive. So we saw the opportunity of looking at a standards program where we would be the manufacturer, carry a variety of sizes and colors, and yet have it manufactured in such an effective way where we can provide the product at a much more value price than any of our competition could. And we validated that with our customers. Our customers came back and they told us the same thing. They are looking for value priced, they're looking at in stock, because they can't wait 15, 20 weeks before they get the products. They've got other things that they want to deal with in their business, and this happens to be one that is not necessarily of high priority, but it's very important. The looks of their office, the comfort for their staff, all are contributed by having some very nice furnishings around them, and we're able to offer that pretty well just in time. In many cases, customers are looking at furniture almost as a last minute. It tends to be an oversight. And in those cases, obviously they can't move in and start using their new facilities or get the renovations complete and get their staff back and working and effective without furnishings. Interestingly enough, we have many customers walking in saying, oops, I have a renovation next week or that I'm ready to move in and I forgot to buy furniture, or I need the furniture desperately. So having access to large quantities of stock, along with great priced stock, is of advantage for us. It's a competitive advantage in most of our competition, who typically have to wait for stock to come in. To various other businesses that we've been a part of, we've been sourcing from across the world for about 30 years. With that experience, we've now managed to focus in on a handful of very, very credible suppliers. Most of them are overseas, and had working relationships with them for upwards of 15 years. The advantage we've had from that is obviously we've got consistency of quality. We're getting continuity of product supply. It shows up when it's expected to. We have some interesting designs that we develop ourselves, and yet they come back to us and they suggest ideas or suggest designs that have been successful for them with other clients of theirs, and we can integrate both of those into our collections here. A lot of people may not know this, but some of our biggest successes have been around the entire suite of products and services we offer to our clients. Some of our major clients depend on us fully on all of the panel workstations, on customized solutions for their boardrooms or reception areas, for their lunchrooms, even their locker rooms. The value they see is we are the one point of contact. When customers come to us, they're not just looking for product, they really are looking for an ease of doing business. Now, typically what that means is somebody has to help them select colors. Somebody has to validate that the sizing is correct. Somebody has to work perhaps with their contractors to make sure that the electrical and the data systems are located where they need to be. That's where we excel. We provide that one-stop solution for our customers. We provide furniture layouts. We provide design services. We provide full installation and support. We'll even remove their old furniture if they'd like. And beyond that, we will take care of any warranty issues or any post-warranty issues and work with the customers to evolve their furnishings over time. Because a lot of the furnishing actually has to integrate with what they have, not just be net new. So that could be a long-term plan that we can work with the clients to make sure that their capital investments are best utilized. Our service focus is quite unique. You'll find often when our clients might visit some of our other competition, it's more around providing the furniture and perhaps the installation. We feel that it's very important for us to work with the client, especially on large renovations or large moves, to make sure that we have a very seamless, successful project for our clients. Our project managers will not just oversee our part of the solution, but where necessary, we'll work with their designers and the architects. We'll work hand in hand with their electrical and data personnel to make sure that we provide a seamless and a very successful implementation for our clients. We want to be able to turn the key over to the client and have the clients move in and are ready to work. As proof of our credibility, we work and we continue to work with many of Alberta's largest corporations and many other innovative companies just like yourselves. You don't need to shop around. We're so confident of our prices that we'll beat our competitors by 5%. So put us to the test. Full service, in stock, value priced, and proven performance.